Starting your day off on the right foot. Literally, we're going to explore a morning balancing flow that you can do at any time during the day, but it's perfect in the morning. As when you're ready, we'll come through to a mountain pose. Feet are about hip width apart, maybe slightly closer if you want a bit more intensity. We're going to simply begin to ground down with the feet, soft knees. Maybe take a gentle bounce. Just beginning to take a little bit of gentle movement, shifting the weight from one foot to the other. And then eventually we'll begin to find some stillness. And we'll casually begin to shift the weight into your right foot. As I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. So shifting the weight into that right foot, we're going to begin to explore a tree pose. As when you're ready, taking that left foot slightly further forward. Maybe we begin to open up the knee. Now we can stay right here. It is first thing in the morning for some of us. And lingering. Others might begin to take that left foot towards the right ankle, toes still in contact with the earth. Maybe we begin to come along the calf, maybe along the thigh. Hands beginning to come to the heart, pressing into the finger pads. And we'll gently begin to release that left foot. Now, I'm going to change my profile for a moment, but we're going to begin to come into your warrior three. Again, weight into that right foot, lifting the left heel. We're going to begin to step back. Imagine a diagonal shape with the body. We can stay right here, beginning to come into an airplane or warrior three, shifting the weight back into that right foot. Left foot might tap. Maybe we begin to lift. Hands can stay at heart. Maybe they go behind us, similar to a superhero, or out in front, making more of a T shape. From here, beginning to release that left foot, both arms beginning to rise up overhead. And then we're going to soften and fold, letting the hands gravitate down towards the earth. Tucking the chin in towards the collarbones, releasing the head. Then we're going to take it halfway. Exhaling and folding all the way back down. We're going to begin to come into a chair pose, beginning to sit, hands coming to the heart. Pressing the earth away. We're going to begin to take that tree on the other side. So shifting weight into that left foot, lifting the right heel. I begin to open up that right knee to the side. Again, we can stay. Right foot might begin to travel onto the calf, maybe somewhere along the thigh. Hands can stay at heart. Finding that balance. Wherever we happen to be, taking that right foot back down towards the earth. Again, we'll begin to gently step back. Imagine that diagonal in the back of the body. We might begin to shift the weight into that left foot as we tap the right. Maybe we begin to explore our airplane or our T shape. The right foot coming to meet the left. Beginning to sweep the arms up. We're going to begin to take a chair pose. So beginning to sit down. It's going to feel slightly different from that other chair. Arms can stay up or again coming into the heart. And we'll begin to fold down. As we fold, halfway lift. Softening and releasing. Pressing in the feet, chair. Hands coming to the heart. As we come here, we might begin to lift the heels. Pressing the earth away with the feet. We'll begin to release the heels back down. We're going to rinse and repeat, shifting the weight into that right foot, taking your tree, lifting the left heel, opening up that left knee. Maybe the foot comes along the calf or along the thigh. When we're ready, we're going to come through to that warrior three. So that left foot might tap down. Again, we might step back. You might begin to trace. Maybe we're floating into that warrior three. From our wobbly warrior three, we're going to come through to our forward fold. Left foot meeting the right, hinging down. Halfway lift. And fold. Pressing chair. We'll begin to lift the heels. Pressing into the balls of the feet. We're coming up through to standing. Releasing the heels down. Shifting the weight into that left foot. Coming into your tree on the opposite side. Right foot. Taking any choices along the calf or the leg. And then eventually we're going to begin to come through to that warrior three. So again, right foot beginning to trace. Maybe we begin to float. We're going to come through to a fold, right foot meeting the left, folding down. We'll take a halfway lift here. And then folding down, heavily bending the knees, hands coming to the heart. We're going to finish with our chair. Taking your choices with the arms, heart or up overhead. And again, maybe we lift the heels. Releasing the heels, pressing the earth away. We'll take the arms up overhead, taking a gentle cactus. Hands beginning to rise. We'll take the hands back to your heart when you're ready. And thank you for taking this very quick morning balance flow. May you have an amazing time, and I'll see you again soon.